Hey everybody, Stephanie here from Platinum Chat. I'm just trying using OBS on a new on a new laptop. So I wanted to make sure that I shared with you how to get ChatGPT to work for you. Typically, when you're in ChatGPT, you just type a prompt, and with some of the latest updates, it does pretty good with context. Now, there's also a difference between the free version, which is 3.5, and the paid version, which is ChatGPT 4, and its ability to give you more accurate responses. So I want to demo this for anybody who is a new entrepreneur, especially my women friends out there who are using ChatGPT to create content or create product descriptions or even creating ebooks or products themselves. People know when you're using ChatGPT, and the way that you can prevent that from happening is making sure that you hit the customized instructions or the customized GPT feature that's built in to the free version, okay? It is also built into 4, but I'm going to deal with 3.5. That way everybody can take advantage of it. So first things first is you want to go to your account. And if you look in the bottom left-hand corner, you will see your name. And you click on it, and you click on Customize GPT. At this point, what you should see is a field that asks, what would you like ChatGPT to know about you to provide a better response? And you want to fill that out. Make sure that you get in there and fill it out. Now, mind you, I've been using ChatGPT since it came out. So I do have beta capabilities built in that you may not have. If you look at the top, it says browsing Dolly code. Those things may not be available to you, but hang on, it is coming eventually. Or you can opt to purchase the ChatGPT 4, the paid version 4, and I believe you'll have access to it. So let's just say you wanted to create some content. What I would say is I have 15 years of blogging experience in the travel field, okay? That's something I wanted to know because I don't want to have to keep repeating myself. Some of the things that I will tell you that you really want to do is go on and add your company name or your blog name. My blog name is Around the World with Steph. And I don't have that, but this is just going to kind of help out here. So the second thing that you want to do is go down here and you want to tell ChatGPT how to give you information. So I'll just give you an example. And these can be as detailed as you want without exceeding the 1500 character mark, but you should give it how you want. Okay. When responding, please use my company name and use my first name when speaking in first person. Create blogs with a warm and friendly tone, and always create, let's say draft 800 words minimum. Now, I'm going to give you one of my little secret tips. I ask ChatGPT how to improve things. So what you could do at the bottom here is say, always ask thought-provoking questions to enhance my viewership or readership. Now, again, this is just a very brief example, just enough for Instagram, okay? I also want to tell you that if you click the link in my bio, I do have a set of custom instructions. There's 4 of them, and this is for new entrepreneurs. Again, you can customize them once you receive them. I'm going to give them to you free, and you can create whatever it is that you want out of those profiles, and you will plug them in the top and the bottom. The instructions are all included. I'm just kind of demoing what it is right here. I'm giving you little things that you can add on top if you don't want to download what I have for you. Now, I will tell you, I've been using custom instructions since early last year when they rolled out for ChatGPT 4. I have spent months crafting really, really good profiles that fit almost 60 different, not only career fields, but businesses. So I'm going to give you 4 random ones for free. You can customize them the way you want. Okay. The other thing, I just want to let you know that if this is something that's above your head and you're kind of like, I don't really want to get into this, but I'd like to use something like this, send me an email at contact@platinumchat.ai and connect with me. Yes, I do offer that service. I make it affordable for everybody who wants to get into business and leverage AI tools. So definitely send me an email. Let's connect for about 30 minutes. Boom. And then see what I can do for you. Okay. So getting back to this, what you want to make sure that you do is enable this for new chats. And then you're going to hit save. And now that you have that saved in, you can say, create a blog about, I don't know, Vietnam. Let's see what it says. Now, notice how fast it's going. That's the one thing about 3.5. It's kind of in turbo mode, and it's just pulling information from out on the internet. Now, I'm going to tell you, ChatGPT is not live learning like a person, but it is probably have teraflops of data that it has been trained on, and it does have somewhat of an ability to pull information as early as April 2023. ChatGPT 4 has some different features in it that allow you to get real-time information, but here's what it did pretty fast here, and I want to point this out. Right here, it says Steph's Travel Chronicles. That's because on the back end, I told you, use my name, okay? It even said at the end, until next time, happy travels, Steph. Okay, but that's how you can kind of get it to customize and sound more like you. If you were to read it, it's going to be warm and friendly. If you read this, I'm a warm and friendly person, so it's giving that voice. Now you can get as detailed as you want on particular things that you may say or sayings that you use, or maybe you have a tagline that you wanted to use, and you can build that in, and you don't have to worry about continuing to write that in the prompt itself. Now, there are some other behind the scenes things that you can do, and I'd love for you to join me on my upcoming webinar. It is free to join the webinar, but you are going to want to basically get yourself a set of custom instructions from me so that you can follow along and we can really get down to the nitty-gritty and get this thing working the way that you need. So I appreciate this little bit of time that you've given me today. I'm not one that's usually on camera like this, but I do want to make sure that I am growing my business and making sure that I make AI tools accessible, and I want to democratize the education of using AI tools. So peace out, have a wonderful day, and I always say this, love and care for yourself first, and then make sure that you love and care for each other. Peace.